Guys, we're gonna play Beast Swim Simulator. We gonna play Beast Swim Simulator, bro. I haven't played this in ages. My friend, did you just leave? I'ma do my voice review, everybody. Okay, guys. JJ, why did you leave? Yeah, you did. You did before, bro. Plushy, why'd you? Okay, Plushy, why'd you? Attack bees. Bees attack. Bees attack. Good boys. Good boys. JJ, are you gonna... Plushy, are you gonna flipping? Plushy, are you gonna... I'm coming to you. I'm about to rage. I'm about to rage, bro. I'm about to rage. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, bro? Yo, where? How do I get rid of this flipping task area? No. Yo, how do I get? Okay. Oh, what is this bees? Your bees suck. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, you're here. You're here. I'm here. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. I'm here. I'm behind you. I don't need nothing from shop, yo. I want honey. Oh, I'm not in the... Why do I look so goofy, yo? Thanks, bro.
Oh my god, we got a royal jelly.
Oh, you unlocked that area already.
I didn't even do anything, and my bees now, and one of my bees
Attack this. No, my bees got it. My bees got it. My bees got it. Give me more honey, yo. Mr. Beast, give me some money. 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 Mr. Beast, give me some
My goal is to make my
minute. That's way. Mr. Beast, give me some money. Mr. Beast, give me some money. I'm next to the common area. I'm in front of you. Yo, Diddy, can you see? Come. Never mind, you're not coming. Look at this pro. Look at this pro grinding right here. I'm a grind with him. I'm grinding with him, yo. Yeah. Yo, I need to get max pollen and then I'm gonna go back to my beehive. Where's the banana? Yo, I got max pollen. I got max pollen. Where are you? Where? Where? Yo, where? Where? Go to the HQ. Why? I'm here. I'm behind you.
I'm going back to get sell my honey. After this, follow me because there's this 5 million HP flower. I'll be eating it.
Oh, I know where it is. I know where it is.
Might give us like, I don't know, maybe whatever the best ability is. I don't know.
I already know where it is. It's the golden leaf thing, isn't it? Oh shoot, there's ladybugs. Bro, there's ladybugs. Give me this, honey.
I need one more sunflowers. See for the food sun. Come on, baby. Let's do this.
Yeah, I'm already doing it. I'm max. Never mind. Yeah, I took this for me. I'ma just. Yo, I have a royal jelly. What? Yo, where are you? Why'd you leave? Yeah, I'm not doing this 5 million flower.
Which one? Then what?
I'm going to the HQ, bro. Yo! Yo! What the flip? What the flip is that? What the flip? I'm about to die, yo. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, yo. Bees attack. What did I do? What did I do? Actually, what did I do? What did I do, werewolf? What did I do, werewolf? What did I do, werewolf? What did I do? What did I actually 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 do? Yes! I'm about to die. Yo, can my bees actually do damage or something? Yeah, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I don't care, I'm about to die. I'm actually about to die. Yo, can my bees do damage? Like, actually. Bees attack, launcher attack. I don't care, launch. I'm about to die. I'm on 1 HP, bro. I'm on 1 HP. 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 You have to grind. I forgot, to be honest. Finally, I killed him. I'm about to go do my warrior. I'm about to go do my warrior. Let me get the first one. Where are you? Yo, I'm about to do my warrior. What do you mean, bro? I have a demon bee.
Where's the spider? I'm gonna see the spider. Where's the spider? Spider, come out, wherever you are. Where's that window? Oh yeah, I was doing parkour and then I fell from parkour. Oh, beetles. Oh, wait, beetles. Chat, attack the beetles. I mean,
Yo, I got a rare one. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my video, guys. Bye.